When you think about indulgence, perhaps the first things that come to mind are decadent desserts or savory snacks. But what if I told you there's a way to treat yourself that not only satisfies your taste buds but also nourishes your body? That's where the avocado smoothie comes in, a satisfying treat that's as healthy as it is delicious. The avocado smoothie, a creamy delight that hails from the tropics, offers more than just a refreshing escape. It's like a health boost in a glass, filled to the brim with essential nutrients and vitamins. This green powerhouse is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and antioxidants. With every sip, you're not only quenching your thirst but also supporting your overall health. But that's not all. Ever heard about the good fat? Avocados are an abundant source of this, providing the body with beneficial fats it needs, which help absorb other nutrients more efficiently. These fats also contribute to satiety, that feeling of being full and satisfied, making the avocado smoothie a perfect choice for those trying to control their hunger and manage their weight. But there's more to the avocado smoothie than just health benefits. Its rich, velvety texture and subtly sweet taste make it an irresistible treat that's hard to resist. And the best part? You can easily customize it with your favorite ingredients. Maybe you like a hint of cocoa for a chocolatey twist, or perhaps a dash of cinnamon to spice things up. The possibilities are endless. In essence, the avocado smoothie is more than just a drink. It's a satisfying treat that's full of flavor, a ticket to better health, and a customizable canvas for your culinary creativity. Whether you're enjoying it as a hearty breakfast, a quick snack, or a post-workout recovery drink, you're in for a treat that will leave you feeling good and wanting more. Ready to give it a try? Absolutely. Making an avocado smoothie is as simple as it is rewarding. Here's a basic recipe that you can start with. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup of milk, you can use almond, soy, or oat milk for a vegan option, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or any sweetener of your choice, ice cubes. Steps: cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Add the avocado, milk, and sweetener into a blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Add ice cubes and blend again until chilled. Pour into a glass and enjoy your homemade avocado smoothie right away. Feel free to get creative and add more ingredients as per your liking. Some popular additions include spinach for extra nutrients, banana for added creaminess, or even cocoa powder for a chocolatey treat. The sky is the limit when it comes to personalizing your avocado smoothie. Remember, it's all about finding the perfect blend that satisfies your taste buds while providing a nutritious treat. Enjoy your journey of discovery.